Good morning. My name is Ritu Saheb. We are architects. We specialize in alterations and conversions of apartments, townhouses, and apartment buildings in New York City. This is a 2-minute video. It talks about one of the common 8 mistakes homeowners make, leading to loss of time, money, and causing a lot of stress. Not bidding out the project. I understand most of the people who want construction done, they just get the price from one person. They have no idea what the job actually costs. It is very possible there's someone out there who could do it for less and better. He could do a thorough job, much more than what you think needs to be done. And that is what we do in comparing apples to apples. We bid out most of the projects to at least 3 qualified contractors, which lead to high savings in the long run. It's a little bit of work, but in the end, there's saving. And as I have said, you should not be in a hurry if you're doing construction. Take it easy, set it up, bid it out. And you will hire a contractor that you're going to be working for a long time. Email me if you need help. My email address is rsaheb@sahebarchitecture.com. This is Ritu Saheb, architect, signing off. Because remember, building in New York is rocket science.